Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can flip an image on Photoshop. So for that you have to open your Photoshop and open the image which you want to flip. So you can open an image by going into file and clicking on open and select the image on your computer. So once you have opened the image, you can click on this image tab here. In here you will find image rotation. So in image rotation you will find flip canvas horizontal and flip canvas vertical. So you can flip images in your horizontal or vertical settings. So let's check with both of it. So when you flip it in horizontal, then it will make it a mirror image. Let's undo it by pressing it Ctrl Z. Then you can click on image again and click on image rotation, and here you will find the flip canvas vertical. So if you click on it, it will make it reverse. So these are the two flipping options for images in Photoshop, and that's how you can do it. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.